It's a great day at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa. This is the 2018 GMC Acadia SLT2 all-wheel drive. In the blue steel metallic with the 3.6 liter engine, you got the beautiful leather upholstery in here. Sunroof, moonroof. You've also got the power liftgate. So much to see. Let's jump on in and get a look around. We're going to take a look around this all-wheel drive Acadia, see what's included, where everything's located. We're going to start over here on the left on the driver's side, work our way inwards. You've got memory seat and memory mirror with 2 presets. And you also have the interior liftgate release button right there. Bose audio, the leader in sound. And a driver blind spot information system right there where my finger is. Hopefully that's in focus now. There you go. It's going to illuminate when you have someone in your blind spot. Power driver adjustable seat with lumbar support. Leather wrapped steering wheel. You also have forward collision warning, so you can set that up for different follow distances, and it's going to keep you informed of the flow of traffic in front of you. Headlights and turn signals. Cruise control, and behind the wheel some toggles to save and scroll through some favorite radio stations. Intermittent wipers, including rear wipers here on the right hand side. Your hands-free calling and voice command, the driver information center menu, and scroll through there and see all the info you need to know about your Acadia right there at your fingertips. And you also have toggles back here to save, and actually this one is for volume control. Now just take us to the Intellilink System, which is full color touch, AM, FM, Sirius XM satellite radio, time and temperature display. You've got onboard navigation. On the next page you'll see the traffic icon. It's going to show you where troubled spots are on the road and give a little brief description as to what the problem is. Tri-zone climate control. You can lock out the temperature in the second row, or you can allow the passengers to pick their own temperature. Projection for enabled smartphones, so you can plug in via USB, and some of your favorite features will appear right there on the touch screen. Full range of OnStar services, including Wi-Fi hotspot and SMS text messaging. And you also have the camera icon there. This will operate at low speeds, and of course it's also a full color rear backup camera with trajectory. Very handy for hooking up with a trailer and hitch. Dual zone climate control, AC button, fan speed operator, front and rear defrosters, and you have heated seats both driver and passenger side. Got a place to rest your device right there, and you can charge up with 2 USB ports, auxiliary and 12 volts. Traction control, hazards, wood grain trim notes, and I have the key fob resting here in the cup holder. You can see you've also got remote start and the liftgate button. And your drive select here. You got your regular, your all-wheel drive, sport mode, off mode, parking sensors on and off, and your lane keep system, another great safety feature. And I'll flip this up and show you on the inside. You got some more storage space, the all-leather upholstery continuing, and a full-powered slide and tilt sunroof. Right there is your controls for that, within arm's reach of the driver. And the tilt function, if you just wanted a little bit of extra air coming in, you don't want to open up all the way, there you go. And you also have the sunshade that pulls closed. Sunglass storage above. Garage door opener selectors, and you have the LED lighting on and off, and you also have the OnStar services right there. Alright, so the push start ignition, I'm going to put my foot on the brake, kill the engine, and you get that rear seat reminder. You have the 20-inch aluminum wheels there. Wheel locks installed, Michelin all-season tires. Get your SLT badging on both sides. We're going to take a look into the rear of the vehicle now. Using the key fob to get in, you're going to press this twice, and that hatch is going to open up nice and wide. You got plenty of space back there for all your belongings. And there is a look at the storage space available to you with one of the captain's chairs down right now. You got both third row seats down. You got the power window, power windows, those are over there. You got the tie downs on both sides and power back here. That's what I meant to say. 12 volt cup holders into that third row. USB on the left hand side, and you got the pull tabs here, so if you want to get those seats down from the back, you can just grab a hold and pull on there. Now to put the seats up and down, you have the tether straps right here, so I'm going to put this seat back up. Just grab a hold. I'm doing this with one hand on the camera. That's how simple it is. And to put them down, you would do the same thing. Just pull and push, and they would go down. Don't need to put them back down again, though. You've already seen that. And you have some storage space located below. And to close the hatch up, you can use the key fob again, or you can simply just press that button there, and that hatch is going to safely and securely go back into position. Got the fog lights here, chrome accents on the grille, body colored door handles, body colored mirror caps, and you got those roof rails above, roof racks rather, so you have even more cargo potential. And there's an overhead view of the sunroof and moonroof. You also have the smart key access system, so you can lock and unlock with just the press of a button. As long as you got that key fob on you, you're good to go. All right, so we are into the second row now. Get a look into that third row. Split bench seat back there. All leather upholstery continuing. Fixed moonroof above. Now this one doesn't open like the sunroof in the front, but it does have the sunshade that you can utilize. Rear heated seats, 2 USB ports, 3-prong power, storage below, temperature controls. You got it all back here. And to put the seats back up in position, one hand, that's all it needs. You would use this latch to put them down. You do have pass-through seating, but if you needed to grab yourself, if you needed a little bit more entryway there into the third row, simply done. Again, one hand. That's all I'm using here. I'm going to pull this forward and push. There you go. And that's going to give you access there to that third row if you needed to do so. Wood grain trim notes, power windows, nice deep tinted glass. And if you want to get this one out for a test drive, come on down to Mills Motors at 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa, where we always do whatever it takes.